Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on alterations and tailoring and find it useful.
5. Returning your garments with confidence. At Sudsies, we love seeing you radiate beauty and confidence in a perfectly altered garment. There's nothing like the feeling of wearing clothes that fit just right, and we take pride in contributing to that experience. Once the alterations are complete, your garments are returned to you looking their absolute best, ready for you to wear with comfort and confidence. This process underscores Sudsies' commitment to providing exceptional tailoring and alteration services, backed by unmatched expertise and exclusive resources, ensuring that you always look and feel your best in your garments.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.